How to convert your TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the real way in which you can convert your TikTok Paylater to Gcash. So for that, the first step is that first of all, you'll have to buy any product or service through TikTok Paylater. There are a number of payment methods that TikTok supports. So you can use any of the payment methods such as Dana, OVO, bank transfer, cash payment at Indomaret, cash payment of Alpha, and you can choose any of that, and after that just click checkout. After checking out and buying the product or service, the next step is selling that product or service. So for that, you can use various websites. So you can use this site that is called Temo, or you can even use the Facebook Marketplace to sell your product or service, because there are a number of potential buyers over there. Or you can also use Etsy, you can even use Shopee, any platform that you feel comfortable with, you can just sell your product and services over there. And once you have succeeded in gathering some potential buyers, you can ask your buyer to pay you through Gcash. When the buyer pays you through Gcash, your credits will be transferred into Gcash. And when you come back to your Gcash dashboard, you will be able to see your Gcash balance updated. So there's not really any direct method to transfer your Paylater from TikTok to Gcash, but this is an effective workaround that works. So that was how you can transfer your TikTok Paylater to Gcash. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.